What is work for hire in music copyright? Have you ever wondered who really owns a song? This question is vital in the music industry, especially when it comes to the concept of work for hire in music copyright. Work for hire is a legal term that plays a significant role in determining who holds the rights to a musical work. In simple terms, when a musician or producer is hired to create music, the copyright ownership may not belong to them. Instead, it often goes to the person or company that commissioned the work. This situation usually arises when a musician is employed by a record label or production company. If they create music as part of their job, the employer owns the copyright. This means the musician gives up their rights to the music they create while working for that employer. The same applies when a work is specially commissioned. In this case, both parties must agree in writing before the music is created for it to be considered work for hire. Understanding work for hire is essential for musicians. It directly impacts who controls the rights to their music. This includes rights to reproduce, distribute, perform, and license the work. If a song is classified as work for hire, the creator cannot collect royalties or control how the work is used unless there is a different agreement in place. It is important to note that work for hire agreements must be signed before the music is created. If the work is already completed, ownership can only be transferred through a copyright assignment agreement. This is different from work for hire and involves a separate legal process. Additionally, copyright law treats musical compositions, which include music and lyrics, and sound recordings as separate works. Therefore, it is common for musicians to have distinct work for hire agreements for each type of work. Sometimes, both can be included in the same contract, but clarity is key. If a musician does not want to transfer full ownership through work for hire, they can opt for licensing agreements. Licensing allows the creator to retain copyright while granting specific usage rights to the commissioner. This often includes royalty payments, providing more flexibility and ongoing income potential. In summary, work for hire means that the hiring party owns the copyright of music created under employment or commission with a prior written agreement. This has significant implications for musicians' rights and earnings. Musicians should carefully review and negotiate these agreements to protect their interests in the music industry.